What's the meaning of colitis? Colitis. Colitis.
Colitis. Colitis. Colitis is a medical condition characterized by inflammation of the inner lining of the colon. This condition can have various causes, including infection, autoimmune disorders, or inflammatory bowel disease. Symptoms of colitis can include abdominal pain, diarrhea, rectal bleeding, and weight loss. The severity of the condition can range from mild to severe, and treatment options depend on the underlying cause. In some cases, colitis can lead to complications such as colon cancer or toxic megacolon, which can be life-threatening if left untreated.